Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log into Best Buy credit card. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now after opening your browser, click on the URL and type in. Now click on the link which has this logo. This is the official website of Best Buy. Here on the navigation bar, you can see where it says account with an human icon. Click on it. Now here you can see two options, sign in and create an account. If you don't have an account, you can click on create account and create a new account. Now here I am choosing sign in. Now you need your email address and your password to sign in, or you can also sign in with a passkey or with your Apple ID or with your Google. Here I am logging with my email address and passwords. Now type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgot your password, you can click on this link and reset your password. Now click on sign in, and following these simple and easy steps, you are now able to log into Best Buy credit card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.